So I got my buddy with me, a friend of mine, part of the Trucker District gang. Why don't you go ahead and say hello to everybody?
Hello.
Tell them what your name is.
I'm Pascal. I'm part of the Trucker District crew, and I'm gonna get
the gang.
Okay, fine, the gang. You want to call it that?
Hey, shawty know I real people from the trenches where it's real lethal. So real Regals, big body with your bill boy, ill boy, and need to find his chill boy. Yeah.
Remember, nice and slow. You want to have control. You don't want to lock out your elbow. Alright, you guys, so he's doing shoulder shrugs over here. Starts in the standing position, goes down into a push-up, and then does a jump. Okay, I need to start doing something or else people are gonna start calling me a fat ass.
Phone them tweaking, we gon' show his ass for real, boy. Yeah, phone them tweaking, I'ma bust him up. Yeah,
take notes, guys. Remember, you gotta lift that steel to get more sex appeal.
Told some illegal.
Zeros. Very funny, Pascal.
Got a Glock 45 and it's real lethal. Bitch, I'm with the gang, we catch a body gang. Bitch, we gang bang off in the lobby, man.
Negative numbers. Okay, now this is bullshit. Cut it out, Pascal.
Pop him in the knob, leave him sloppy, man. At your block, we gon' swerve shit, huh? Nigga sneak this and let me heard.
Matt's over here finishing up his workout. Let's go take a look. Matt, you're doing so good, man. I'm so proud of you. Keep going. Wait, what? What is that? Hey, what are you doing?
Nothing!
Get that out of here.
Oh,
Get that peanut butter out of here.
No, get it back! No! Ah!